How to watch YouTube and use other apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can watch YouTube and also use other apps at the same time. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically watch YouTube and use other apps, let's say you want to watch it in PIP mode, right? So you select any of the video over here and all you have to do is simply navigate like this, and you can see I'm being able to watch it while also using other apps in the process. So the way you can do this is actually quite simple, but for this you need to have YouTube Premium. So if you don't have YouTube Premium, you will not be able to do this. Once you make sure that you have got YouTube Premium, just come to the profile tab from the bottom right, then tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then from there just go to the option called General, and once you go to General, here you'll find an option that says Picture in Picture. So all you have to do is just make sure to turn on this toggle known as Picture in Picture, and once done you will successfully get YouTube Premium. And that's all it takes to get YouTube Premium. Hope this video was very helpful, and then you will be able to watch in PIP mode. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.